This is a free website that I stumbled across one day when I was looking for math resources. I did not feel like our math book had done a good job with the skill that I was trying to teach. I felt that my students needed more practice. So I started Googling and I found probably about 5 years ago, I found mathaids.com. So I like it because you can pick here on the side your skill that you want to work on. And fifth grade does a lot of fractions, so I would click here on the fractions. And then if you scroll down, it gives you all of the different types of ways to manipulate fractions. So let's say that I want to let's see here. If I want to subtract fractions, I would click on that page and you get to set your parameters to an extent, your numerators, denominators, level of difficulty kind of, and then how many problems you want. And you can even choose your language to an extent. And then if you go down to the very bottom, you push create it, and you have a free worksheet ready to print. It also gives you an answer key, which is nice, for easy grading. So I use this resource a lot. It comes in handy for when I'm sick unexpectedly because I live out of town. And so sometimes I need to just go on and quickly print a math worksheet, having something for my kids to do to give to my partner teacher when I'm sick. But mostly I like it because it is a really great resource if you just want your students to have extra practice on a skill, if you want to review skills before state testing, um, if you just don't think your curriculum in your book covered it well enough. This website has saved me many times, and I will probably continue to use it for a long time. As you can see here on the side, there are a lot of pop-up ads. You just have to ignore them. But other than that, I think it's a really great free resource.